muscle cramp. What it causes? Muscle cramps. So basically, you're either eating too much of carbohydrate or too much of sugar is there. So this lactic acid gets accumulated and it causes what? Muscle cramp. Clear? So this is the interesting fact. It might be asked. So how are muscle cramps caused? Due to accumulation of lactic acid. Now when I have to talk about this, so in presence of oxygen what happens? It gives out carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So energy is given out here. Clear? This is clear. Now one more thing that we have to understand is, what is yeast? Y-E-A-S-E.
It is used for baking.
Yes, it is used for baking. That yeast is there. But what is yeast? Is it a bacteria? It is a fungi? It is an algae? What it is? Bacteria. Correct. Bacteria like fungi they say. Okay. So it is, yeast is a bacteria. Now this yeast is there. No. It also does one interesting process. What happens here is, it is used. What it does? It breaks down sugars. Like you have fruits. Have you all seen the process of making of an alcohol? Wine, alcohol. No. So this yeast, it does break down sugars. When fermentation happens, this yeast grows in the bacteria. It's a bacteria that grows in this condition where there is no absence of oxygen. Okay, and it breaks down what? Sugars. Clear? What is that sugar? Glucose. Clear? First tell me what is yeast.
It is a bacteria like fungi, and it converts sugar into sugar. It breaks down sugar.
It doesn't break sugars. It breaks down glucose into make alcohol. Clear? So this process of breaking down of glucose by yeast cell is called as fermentation. What is it? The process of breaking down of glucose to produce to make it alcohol is called as, in the absence of, the main condition is absence of oxygen. Clear? So yeast, in the absence of oxygen, break down glucose